Froggy fun! For this craft, you'll need origami paper or a square piece of regular paper, a marker, and a flat surface. Step 1. Fold the paper in half. Step 2. Fold the right corner down and open it again. Step 3. Fold the left corner down and open it. Step 4. Push the sides toward the middle crease. Press the top layer down to create a triangle. Step 5. Fold up the flaps. These are the front legs. Step 6. Fold the sides towards the middle. Step 7. Fold up the bottom half. Step 8. Fold the flap down to make the back legs. Step 9. Use a marker to give your frog some personality. Then press down on the frog's back to make it hop. Thanks for watching!